So how does in-command handle mechanical, electrical, and plumbing assets? To begin, we need to define a couple of terms, CMMS and MEP. CMMS stands for Computerized Maintenance Management System, which is one of in-command's many functions. MEP stands for Mechanical, Electrical, and Plumbing. Next, before digging into specific CMMS features, let's talk about why in-command has these features at all. There are 4 reasons. 1, to keep records on the make, model, and maintenance of MEP assets at your site. 2, to schedule and record maintenance activities. 3, to maintain step-by-step instructions on how to service MEP assets. And 4, to enable the quick production of maintenance records in response to audits. Okay, let's dig in. There are 6 steps on the portal that must be followed in order. The remainder of this video reviews Step 1. Step 1, entitled CMMS Suites, allows for the creation and updating of CMMS suites. So what is a CMMS suite? It's an area at your facility that contains MEP assets. For example, in a multi-floor facility, an individual floor that contains a number of MEP assets might be considered a CMMS suite. In such a case, likely suite names might be 5th floor or basement. The purpose of defining suites is to locate CMMS assets by defining a general location in the facility where the assets can be found. Every operations team must identify and name appropriate CMMS suites within their facilities. Creating and updating CMMS suites is easy. Simply click on the CMMS Step 1 Suites menu, and the suites table is displayed. The site column will always default to your site. The suite name column is used to determine and fill in, as is the suite description column. Once entered, if you want to change the name or description, simply click on the item you want to change and make your update. For example, I'll change the description name here. Be sure to click the tab or the enter key after making your update to save your change. To add a new CMMS suite, click the New button, which opens a new record at the top of the list. The site column fills in automatically. Give it a suite name, and then tab to the description field. In the description column, give the suite a longer descriptive name if needed. The description column is not required, and in this case, I'm going to leave it blank. After you've entered your suite name, be sure to click the Confirm key to save your changes. A note of advice: keep your suite names short since they are referenced in other table columns where space is limited, and use the description field to clarify anything that the short suite name leaves out. A final feature found on this page is the blue question mark. Clicking the question mark opens a dialog with written explanations for how to use the page and how to understand the terms in the page. Okay, you now know everything you need to know about creating and updating CMMS suites. Once your CMMS suites are created, you can proceed to Step 2 and start creating CMMS assets. Thank you for listening and enjoy in-command.